Nagabenta ki kubor baman kasngi pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai fi baro kini hilong ki kubor bam takasngi. U menteri ka kampo yang bat usembut menteri rang ba perston tengsong ula. Perlong ya kajinya lang kabakar ki bat kong DGP kong L Nongrang, Chief Secretary Sakil P Ahmed, u SP ba Vivek Sim, u DC Albilash Baranwal, bat ki officer sorkar halor kajinya kanat hakarali tuk ka KSU. Uba perston ulaong baka sorkar kan omap ya ki ba penjular ya ki kali bat ki properti sorkar ne pentot ya ka lekawan jong ki paiba ki pulit kin tokit ya ka video bat ki sakhi bat kin le kat kum ka ain kamegle high court kala ptha ya ka sorkar bakan ai kai phot halor ka jinsya penjular ka kali kabaya dei bat ka office register hakarali hakaju ka por ba perston bat menteri ka Asam u Atul Bora kin penklan ya kajinya terilang hap dang ki arjelah ban pentikna baka kali Asam bat kali Meghalaya kin ya lailot klam jincha pakhang nesya penthon
wedai bat kajing kuri yang jong pi ki media houses ki bakwa ya kajing sai katukan ne te ngatrai menet rayo ya kajing pisai na kaliang jong district aspiration sapang ki ki jingjia ki bajia menin kasni bat hadu mentah kajan bedru kawai kabangakwa ban ong kolong ba kajinjia kaba menin kasni kolong kajinjia kaba skosi batru kaba kta ya kaburom ya kaijot jong kajala Meghalaya barok kuwi balai nga ong kumta kade kadaw kolong ba hadin ba ka district administration kila ai ya ka permission ya ka KSU bakin pelong ya kata kerali kaba kiru ki ai ka assurance ya ka district administration ba kanlong ka bajajai ka bayai baik ka bayai renti ka banugdot kanuru ka jingya bensaw le ni ka jingya penhuri hurang ni tenrei kom opinga trai kom mengilayu i kom mengilatip kamtam haki social media ki ba jiang i ba kitu kibriu ki ba ya join ya kata karali ki ba yad haki lenti keseki surok kidai teman ki bandeng da kamas batru ki ba i kumba kimut ban lek hier thama ndai ba ong bayai rali i kumba kimut ban lek hier thama yanu re yanu hangno re hangno te ni yo i sisai ka te jingjia ba ka jingjia ki pas ngosi ki ba ki atak wat ia ki kali sorkar wat ia ki property sorkar bat kamtam ka bagi target ru ya ki kali Asam te kita ni i ki ni ki AS number plate kabamut ki persama datang klaim da pe klaim da nyau klaim da yo i wat badon ki kelum ki kena wat badon ki kentei odon ki bapli ki ba wanio ki wanhat ki ba syuyat lang baru nang ni siapo guati ti kalong ka igi ki jinjia ka basngausi ti nakaliang jo ka sorkar ka bangakwa ban kren da ka basai nakaliang jogi nginam aila ya ki bakum kini ki jinjia kin jiap yang nang ni syakma ti ngakwa ban batai sai hang ni baka sorka benta nila apply ru nila invoke ru ya katakaan ka bengiong ka Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act 1947 bat ka bangi aben nakawi kapor sya kawi patapor hapo kajala Meghalaya jungi namar ba yakani mentang aku abanya thu ru bawat ka high court kala ai ya ka jingtho changi bangin submit ya ka affidavit ya ka action taken report bat khamtam kum mga onpi ki jinjia ki ba menin ha ka ba wat ki kali sorkar ki kali jong ke ba ka ba dei na po ka high court ru ka sya pynjot ka sya pynpra ha ki riu runar ha ki riu baman ki ba sim kabu ya ki ni ki eke bro ki jinjia ki ba jia menit kaski kumta ka ba nganga kerpat nakamenta kinong song kibaya kibayeng kibawan le sin Guwahati sa Shillong lani kibalik na Shillong sa Guwahati nakaliang jongi ka sorkar ngin pentikina ya kajing suk kajing singan jongki hakayat hakayeng hakaba menne kadon ru kajing kang kali kajing bobsha nakaliang ka Asam ki pajba na Asam ki kiro hadin bagi yo i ya katu kajing le menin gaski kiri ak ya kini dah kabaki pensangai kim sya iki kali kibawan na Shillong na bekalaya ban hiar si Guwahati lane ki kali ka banapur selaban kiu ki banapo Guwahati ban kiu syapo Shillong ti ya kini adin ba baro arliang na kaliang joko surkar u chief secretary jong Megala baru chief secretary jong Assam nang tai DGP jong Megala ba DGP jong Assam kilai keren janman ka kenta ban resolve ikan isu kaba menta dan ketukan nepor lala ban penbit ban penbiang ban penbait kam don syu kanu kajing kang lani kajing pynjot pynpra ha kalentian kaba de na Shillong sya Guwahati lani na Guwahati sya Shillong dia kata kadai ka bang aku ban pedip de alor jong kaneru baro angut kisiem UCM jong Megala jong iu konar sangma badi Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma kialong in touch kia kren iwe pat bat kaba kisim ru ya karai kolong kin tau chu ika committee ha kaba uwe minister nang tin po Assam bat uwe nang ni uba kin sapan benar satang kandiat por ba kandon kerja joint committee kaba hableng jong Megala bat Assam kumnoban resolve ikan isu ba kanungdon kan kono kejikta hakayat kayen markidon kikali kumangopi ke bangi nang ni Shillong na Megala ngidon kam kerki dan ngi hapan yat panjeng lengba Assam leni ka Assam kadon kam manyat lengba jong ke Megala dikata kadai ke ba na kalian ke persorkan gasim de kata kadai ka kubor ke ba nganga kerpat sai simpat ya kinong sok snong jong jela ka jongi ba kids kau ba ban ngin ya trelang bat ke sorkar namar kani ka bang ngi kwa kolong ba kan don kanuno ka huri hura bat u ba kan syong suk kan syong sngan hakayat kayen bat kamtam kinong puli ki school ki college lani kin don ru ki exam interview ki ba per ki ba ka government lani ka district administration lani ka MPSC lasi ka fix na benta kini ki exam thungkam kiba per bakanum kta nang ne shakama pi haki kendiat sni chief minister ula I direction lang ba jong deputy commissioner Shillong ban reach out lani dari city ban pa saki da kamentaka discussion tenrei ko mga pi nakaliang joki kiom ngin mi kenu na marngil ada fix ka program tenrei iya kata ko mga pi mdei bangi na comment ngim kwa bani kedu ke jingkang ko mo ke play den rei kamut pat ban ong ba abangi i kumne ki isu ban su ong no bangila nge bangin let lut no yiki we kuai patikam namar ngi yabun kam don kapor ka bangin penbek ba kapor ka babiang bangin yekendu na kamtaban ya syong haka table bangin kren bangin pensyai ka ya ki issues boro kawe haden kawe pat ya katang lale bat kabaar kabang akwa ban kren na kabasay ni nakasokar baro iskata bat injay beteng ru ya kani bat nakapor sikapor ka jingkang jongi ka play barobor nakamta ka jing kren tamba nginam la sya lada don kum kini ki jat jingjia kum ka jia menen lano yanu nginam ailat ba kan don ka law and order ka bakum balajia menit bahkan yajia nang Malaysia kamat pipa niru ko ngala ai ke direction ngila don ka meeting menta lai song slem ma ngila kren yikini ki detail berpoj siapang ka tiar gas lani siapang kiwe baro ba lakum nuru ka kamram jong ka sorka leng ba jong ka police force ba ban protect bat ru ban petikna bakal law and order kalong kababit kababiang haki por baro haki sni baro haki snen baro.
I want to inform all citizens of Meghalaya and especially East Khasi Hills that Honorable High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the incident because apparently yesterday amongst the 31 vehicles which were damaged, one vehicle belonged to the Joint Registrar of the Honorable High Court. So High Court has taken it very seriously. It has asked government to submit a report, and in that light also I appeal to everyone, and especially to members and the leadership of KSU, that the order of the administration please do respect that. Please do not come out for procession and sit in protest tomorrow, because the High Court has also taken up this case very strongly. With much deliberation, we have decided to deny the permission to KSU for the procession and sit-in protest that they have proposed for tomorrow. Simultaneously, in light of the prevailing situation in the city, we have also issued prohibitory orders, because the Shillong, I believe, as a city is still recovering. I believe that the people of Shillong, especially children and those who witnessed the violence, they are still undergoing trauma, fear, and the city needs, at this point, what the city needs is calm, restraint, and some time to heal. So through media, I want to make a direct appeal to the leadership as well as members of the KSU to kindly respect the orders of the administration, to kindly respect the feeling of people of Shillong, and simultaneously, please understand that we do not want to put the residents of this city through another day of confrontation and uncertainty. Please think about the children who were unfortunate to witness yesterday's events. We do not really want to put them through another day when they will be frightened about going to their schools. So through media, I just want to make a direct appeal to KSU leadership and the members that in light of yesterday's events, disturbing events of yesterday, and after careful deliberation and discussion, we have decided to deny the permission to KSU for their proposed procession and sit-in protest that they have proposed for tomorrow. From administration, we understand that as of now, the city is healing. The city is still recovering from the trauma that it suffered yesterday. Several children, several people who witnessed violence, they are still undergoing fear and trauma. What this city needs at this point is calm, restraint, and some time to heal. So through media, I want to make a direct appeal to the leadership and members of KSU. Please respect the orders of the administration. This order is not to curb any democratic right. This order has been brought out just to be able to afford the opportunity to residents of Shillong to breathe, to recover, and to heal. So I earnestly appeal to you, please do not come out for any procession or sit-in which may lead to any confrontation with the security forces. And simultaneously, we must always remember and think about the children of Shillong. Few children were unfortunate to witness what happened yesterday on the streets. And simultaneously, most of the children and their parents are as of now frightened. Let's make sure that we do not put them through another day of uncertainty and confrontation. That's my earnest appeal to KSU and its members, and simultaneously I appeal to all citizens of Shillong as well that that's about it. Chief Minister Shri Prestone sir to take a review of the law and order situation, prevailing law and order situation within the city, and that's about it. On respected Chief Secretary sir, DG ma'am, myself, SP, and other officials related to the law and order were present in the meeting. Emphasize this basically that the feeling of security and safety should be restored to the people of Shillong, and every effort must be made to ensure that no sporadic incident whatsoever takes place across the city. And simultaneously, he has instructed all of us to be on alert and make sure that basically city gets its own recovery time. We are with them. We empathize with them. What happened yesterday should not have happened. Nobody should have to witness what happened yesterday. But we want to assure them that we are committed to keeping the city safe and secure. We are committed for safety of each and every resident. irrespective of whether they are a tribal, non-tribal, they are Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, or they are here for livelihood, or they are here for any other work. The point is that Shillong is a beautiful city, and its status as one of the most upcoming tourist destinations of the world must be restored. As far as children are concerned, they are the future of the city and the state, and they must not grow in an environment of fear. So we from district administration assure them that we'll take every effort possible, we'll make every effort possible, and we'll not leave any stone unturned to make sure that next time when they step out of their house, they'll have any sort of fear.